Structure of atom. In earlier times, scientists believed that atom is indivisible. Okay, but later, many scientists observed by different experimental observations that atom is divided into subatomic particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. Okay, arrangement of these subatomic particles in an atom is called as the structure of atom. Okay, next, discovery of electrons. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in the year 1897. The experiment was done in a cathode ray discharge tube, which is a glass tube containing two electrons, cathode and anode, called as cathode and anode, at the two ends. Two electrodes are fitted at the two ends. One is cathode and other is anode. Okay, now a gas is filled inside the tube and a high voltage is applied, okay, and the pressure is reduced to very low. Okay, so the condition of the experiment is at very high voltage. This is important. Very high voltage of 10,000 volt and very low pressure. The experiment is taking place. So current starts flowing from cathode to anode. Okay, and this ionizes as a result of this passage of current, the gas gets ionizes and a stream of particles are seen to be flow from cathode to anode. Okay, this can be observed by replacing this anode by a perforated anode. What is meant by perforated anode? Perforated anode means anode containing holes. So the particles can easily move through these holes and it hits on a zinc sulfide plate. That is, this plate, fluorescent screen is there, which is coated with zinc sulfide. Okay, so these particles moves through these holes and hits on the screen and bright spots are produced. So from that bright spot we can observe that some particles are moving from cathode to anode, and these particles are called these rays. Certain rays are emerging from this cathode, moves through the holes and form bright spots on the plate, and these rays are called as cathode rays. Okay, next we can identify some of the important properties of these cathode rays. Okay, properties of cathode rays. First one, these rays starts from cathode and move towards anode in straight lines. Starts from cathode, move towards anode in straight line. Okay, in straight lines. Second point, this is the first point. Then second point, they produce flash when strike on zinc sulfide plate. Okay, they produce dark spots or flash when strike on zinc sulfide plate. Third point, they travel at very high speed. They travel at very high speed. It is 10 raised to 6 to 10 raised to 8 centimeter per second. Then fourth point, they are deflected by electric and magnetic field. They are deflected by electric and magnetic field. Okay, and the deflection is same like negatively charged particles behave. Okay, that is, they are deflected towards positive plate in the electric field. This shows that it is negatively charged particle. Okay, this is an important point. Next, fifth point, they produce X-rays when hit against hard metals. They produce X-rays when hit against hard metals like tungsten, copper, etc. They produce X-rays. Okay, they can ionize the gas through which they pass. Okay, they can ionize the gas through which they pass. Okay, that is, when it is passed through hydrogen gas, it gets ionizes to H plus E electron. Okay, hydrogen gas gets ionizes. Then, seventh point, its characteristics never depends upon the material of the electrode or the nature of gas present in the tube. Okay, characteristics never depends on electrons or nature of gas present in the tube. Okay, nature of gas present in the tube. Okay, at last they concluded that since they are negatively charged particles and they are called as electrons. Okay, this was the discovery of electron.